Charge for receivables expense. At 31 December 20X5, a company's receivables totaled $100,000 and an allowance for receivables of $12,500 had been brought forward from the year ended 31 December 20X4. It was decided to write off debts totaling $9,500. The allowance for receivables was to be adjusted to the equivalent of 5% of the receivables. What charge for receivables expense should appear in the company's statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31 December 20X5? Answer. Closing allowance, $100,000 minus $9,500 times 5%, $4,525. Opening allowance, $12,500. Decrease in allowance, $7,975. Irrecoverable debts written off, $9,500. Charge, $1,525.